Welcome to Conceptual Academy. So friends, in this series we will solve the complete test of CSS 2023. So it's part 3, but before starting a video, I request you please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more update. So friends, without any time wasting, let's start the video. Question number 41. Transitional relationship term used for. So the answer is Pakistan-US relationship. Question number 42. GET stands for. So the answer is General Agreement on Tariffs and Trades. Question number 43. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So the answer is 212 Fahrenheit. Question number 44. 2015 Paris Agreement was about. So the answer is environment. Question number 45. NPT stand for. So the answer is Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty. Question number 46. Operation Enduring Freedom was launched in. So the answer is Afghanistan 2001. Question number 47. JCPOA was signed between. So the answer is USA and Iran. Question number 48. Not member of SCO. So the answer is Turkmenistan. Question number 49. Not a member of NPT. So the answer is India. Question number 50. Name of West Germany during Cold War time. So the answer is Federal Republic of Germany. Question number 51. Official name of World Bank. So the answer is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Question number 52. Second Governor General of Pakistan. So the answer is Sir Khwaja Nazimuddin. Question number 53. 25th Amendment of Constitution of Pakistan about. So the answer is the federally administered tribal area FATA are to be merged with the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Question number 54. 18th Amendment is about center-province relation. Question number 55. Which organization is responsible for solving matter between province and capital? So the answer is Council of Common Interest. Question number 58. Question number 56. Cricket diplomacy was initiated by. So the answer is none of these but Zia-ul Haq. Question number 57. Balochistan became a province in which year? So the answer is March 1970. Question number 58. Article 140A of Constitution is about. So the answer is local government. Question number 59. Army Public School attack took place in. So the answer is December 2014. Question number 60. First Foreign Minister of Pakistan was. So the answer is Sir Muhammad Zafarullah.